my channel. This is Lakshmi Anjana Sanku. Today in this video, I would like to tell about C functions. Here, what is function? Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass the data known as parameters into a function. What is the use of function? Here, the functions are used to perform the certain actions and they are important for using code. Define code once and use it many times. Here the syntax of the function. Return type function name open bracket parameter 1 type parameter 1 name comma parameter 2 type parameter 2 name comma and so on. This is called the function body and the return value. Here I will explain briefly about this. Return type specifies the type of the value the function returns. For example, int, float, char, and void. Here, function names represents the name of the function which should be displayed to of what the function does. Parameter 1, parameter 2 types of the parameters that the function accepts. And the parameter 1 name, parameter 2 name represents the name of the parameters used within the accepts. Used within the function body. Return value represents the value of the return by the function if applicable. That is, if the return type is not void. For example, int add int a comma int b, int sum equal to a plus b semicolon, return sum. Here int is the return type, add is the function name, int a and int b are the parameters. The function body calculates the sum of a and b and the return the result. Overview of the function. First point is function declaration. Introduce the function to the compiler, specify its name, return type and parameters. Example, int add int a comma int b. Function definition. It contains actual code that gets executed. Int add int a comma int b, return a plus b. Then function call. These are the function call. It invokes the function to perform its tasks. For example, int result equal to add 5 comma 3. Int result equal to add 5 comma 3 is a function call. And that point is return type. It specifies the type of the value the function returns. For example, int for integer, return type, parameters. There are the different parameters like parameter 1 type, parameter 2 type, parameter 3 type, and parameter 1 name, parameter 2 name, parameter 3 name, and so on. So these are called the parameters. First of inputs of the function. If you input like parameter 1 name, parameter 2 name, parameter 3 name, and parameter 1 type, parameter 2 type, parameter 3 type, these are called the parameters, which is inputs the function. Like int a is a parameter type, int is a parameter type, and a is a parameter name. Okay. For example, like int a comma int b. Int is the parameter type and a is the parameter name. And int is the parameter to type and b is the parameter to name in the add function. Thank you.